Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to jump right into this video. Alright, so I just got finished watching Strongmommy Chrissy's video. And as always, it was clickbait. It said her new home. So with that being said, I thought that we were actually going to see the home that she is supposed to be moving in a week. But no, we're just seeing the Airbnb that she's staying at. Okay. And I will say it is very beautiful. But to her, I say, your home can look like that as well. You just need to decorate it. You can have, a cheap home, be in the worst areas, whatever it may be. But when you walk into your home, and if you know how to decorate it, you're going to walk into a mansion, okay? Now, her whole situation, do I feel sorry? Don't I feel sorry? I feel sorry for her children. The reason why I say that is because they were uprooted from the home that they were staying in while she was on vacation. You know what I mean? And you may think that the kids don't understand, but yes, they do understand. It's kind of one of those issues where as though when they get around 16 or 18, they'll say, Ma, what happened to that day? What happened that day that, you went out of town and we immediately had to move out of our home? Was that what you call an eviction? Yeah. So with that being said, you know what I mean? She may think that they don't understand, but some of the older ones, I'm pretty sure that they understand. Now, her going on vacation, it was okay that she went on vacation, but the minute something was happening at her home where her children were getting uprooted and had to leave within minutes or hours or, whatever, I would have hopped my ass back on a plane. You know what I mean? No reason for me staying there because I would not have been able to enjoy myself at all. I would not have been able to sit and put a smile on my face. I would not have been able to do anything at that point. My heart would have been broken because at that point, I'm thinking about my kids. I'm thinking about how they feel. I'm thinking about where they are going to go. Not only that, but I'm thinking of what is my mother's mind frame at this point. So you need to be there. If it costs you $1,000, whatever it cost, you should have got your happy ass on that plane and went home and took care of the priorities there. Not sit there and, talk about the reactors and fuck them and all of that. And the thing of it is while you're talking about us, we are at home watching your video. Rent is paid. Gas and electric is paid. Everything is paid. But you, on the other hand, are sitting there talking while your children and your mom are going through this situation that probably could have been avoided. Now, you said that, you wish you would not have said what you said to the people that you rent, your landlord, but you didn't say it to her. You said it to someone working in the office or whatever. Sometimes, Chrissy, what you have to do is you have to hold your tongue. Okay? All the time, it's not good to tell people what you think of them because sometimes it will get you into a predicament that is hard for you to get out. So hopefully you learn from this. You know what I mean? Saying some things that you do, it'll make you understand. So I feel with that, I hope you understand from this time. But what really got me was, when you and your friends talk about the reactors. Now, this is the reason why we react to you. We react to you because of the content that you put out. You say that you and all of them say that, the reactors are jealous, the reactors are hating, the reactors. No. You put out the content on it, so we are going to address it. To me, you know what I mean? And like I say, I don't hate any of y'all. But to me, You seem to be always up on your game. To me, you always seem kind of like a cocky person. You always have a prima donna attitude. You always say, well, YouTube is not my only source of income. I make sure that I get those bags. Okay? Now, with you saying that, that is why reactors react to you, because you said that it was no reason that you got put out of your home involving money. You said no, that was not the issue at all. Not at all. Okay? So money was not the involvement. So what I've noticed is that in your description, you have your Cash App put there. You put that in there. So if money was not the issue of what happened to you, if money was not the issue of, where you're staying at now, then you would never have put that Cash App in there. That is why the reactors react to you the way they react to you. It was no need for you to put that in there because, like you told us, oh no, I have the money. The money was not an issue. So if the money was not an issue, the video that I just got finished watching, which you thanked everybody for sending you Cash Apps, you thanked everybody for being there for you. That was crazy to me. It just made me think. I'm like, really? Do the people that sent you money, do they not see that Cash App down there that you put in soon as you came back? But really, when we say things, your cousins want to come at us and, oh, you're jealous of them and oh, this. No, we're not jealous, and you guys are dumb. That's the way I put it. You're dumb. Because it's no way I am going to send you any of my coins when you say that you have the coins, the bags, you have it. Y'all are really, really funny. I mean, really. So I am going to go ahead and get off of here. I want to say thank you to my subscribers. I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that bell so you will know every time that I come in with a quick little video. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know where your head is at. Go ahead and like this video. And go ahead and share this video. Until my next video, I will see all of you beautiful people later.